Here's 0, here's 1, this point is 1/2. It's also 0.5. Same number, 2 outfits. Let's convert 3/4 to a decimal. There are 2 ways. Method 1, divide. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. Method 2, power of 10. Multiply top and bottom to get a denominator of 100. 3 times 25 is 75. 4 times 25 is 100. 75 hundredths, that's 0.75. 2 paths, same answer. Now the other direction. Let's turn 1.3 into a fraction. Count the decimal places, 1 decimal digit, remove the decimal point. That's your numerator, 13. The denominator is 1 followed by 1 0. 10. 1.3 equals 13 over 10. Let's remember, fractions and decimals, 2 ways to write the same number.